This is our new A-Force ladder, and it has wheels on it, so you can roll it around. The wheels retract as soon as you stand on it, so as soon as you put any weight on it, the wheels come up, and so that you don't have to worry about that. But we couldn't just make a step ladder like everybody else. We decided to make it so that it was more comfortable and easier to use by incorporating this spreader step. It's not just spreader bars, but it ties it together so that you can close it up with one motion. See that? So easier on your feet.
Yep.
And then it also has this tool deck or workbench that will fold up and store inside, so it doesn't take up any more room. And so why would you use that? You know, if you're putting together some light fixtures or something, or just a little project, instead of working on the floor, you've got this nice tray up here that's magnetic and can hold your nuts and bolts and some tools. Our accessories also fit on here, so we call this the loot box. Fits right here. And plumbers use these because they put their tape and their glue together and put it right in here. You can divide the two compartments so that you can put your nuts and bolts in here, chips and salsa, whatever you want. And then it's got a robust top cap as well. So this is called the wedge lock. Oh, you see that's magnetic right there. But this wedge lock, you can lock a gallon can of paint in here,
okay,
or a quart right here in this. You put your drill here, snap your accessories in here, tape measures and drills hanging off the front or back. You can also do that right here. See that? That's another tool holder. That's built in. Here's a place to put a hammer or hang anything, a bucket, whatever. Pencils, drills, or screwdrivers. So you got two of those.
What's this guy here?
So this is, there's no strap in it. We should have brought some strap, but you know, it's a roll of strap would go inside here like this.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And so for hanging like mechanical stuff, maybe some ductwork or plumbing stuff, the plumbers and mechanical guys use that strap. So that holds the whole roll. That way when you throw it in the truck, it's not just gonna unravel and make a mess. And that will also store here on the sides as another accessory.
Awesome.
Or down here.